Very good evening. Very good evening. Hello, hello, hello. Very good evening to all of you. Hey everyone, welcome, suswagatam. Jo bole so nihal, sat sri akal, walaikum salam, assalamu alaikum. This is your Baba HSP, Magical Chemistry Guru, my dear students. If I'm perfectly audible and visible to all of you, just to let me know. Suswagatam, welcome, vanakkam. All my dear students, your Baba HSP is here with IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Let me check it out whether I'm audible and visible to all of you or not. If yes, kids, show me the green signal. If you can hear me, can see me, kids, I want to know in the chat section if I am perfectly audible and visible. Show me fire in the chat section so that I can let you know this International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry from the scratch. You have to sit with pen and copy, and each and everything I'm going to tell you from basics, and I will reach up to the level which is required for your first rank. So right now I want to see in the chat section that am I audible and perfectly visible to each and everyone. So chats are running. I want to see some fire. Smash the like button if you can hear me, can see me. Let me see in the chat section. My voice is clear. I'm clearly visible to each and everyone. Show me right down in the chat section. Let me see in the chat section. Sir, please do compounds coordination. Right now, Madhumati, this is organic chemistry, but I want to see, my dear students, everyone, I want to see some fire in the chat section if I am perfectly audible and visible. This is your Baba HSP. Wow, yes, good evening, but no one is writing that, yes, I'm perfectly audible and visible. Hey kids, some people are showing fire. Now fire is there now. Yes, now I can see that. Yes, Baba is perfectly audible and visible. Along with fire, show me some green hearts also. Kids, this is your channel. This is your Baba HSP, Magical Chemistry Guru. I will show you the magic of this IUPAC. Whatever I am going to tell you, my dear students, I will let you know in a dashing way, in the fantastic way, in the mind-blowing manner, so that each and everything is going to be crystal clear, so that you can solve any question in the air within fraction of seconds. Show me some green signal with the green hearts also. Let me see. If green hearts are coming, that means perfection is there in my voice, and yes, you can see me. Yeah, that's perfect. Now, my dear students, International Union of Pure and Chemistry means applied chemistry, means the name which is valid everywhere in the universe. Universe means entire world. Everyone can understand the given compound's name. Whatever the compound's name is given, they can make the compound, they can draw the compound. A compound can have many names. The IUPAC name, the journal name. But journal name, that is a trivial name or the common name that is valid only at that particular place or that in that particular country. But this International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry means valid everywhere. Okay, right now see. Before I start, let me show you. Today is the last day and the offer ends in 3 hours. because every redeem matters, and lowest ever prices on all NEET UG subscription, that is just gets rupees 4,999. This is the lowest price gets. What is available in this price? Nothing gets. So this is the best offer price. Just apply code HSP10 and avail this batch, my dear students. Any batch, Unacademy's any batch, you can join just for rupees 4,999. This, my dear students, in offline classes, number of students they are giving lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh rupees. This is nothing kids. The best team you will get. The best team means my dear students, the quality content teachers. Anyways, so after this is a code. You can apply any code, but avail this batch. Now, let me start. First, I will tell you alkane, because alkane holds a hell lot of weightage. Everyone ready? Alkane IUPAC, and after alkane IUPAC, I will tell you functional group, that is alkene and alkyne. Once alkane, alkene and alkyne got completed, then I will switch over to main functional groups so that you can get, yes, the each and everything. So first alkane, then alkene, and then afterwards alkyne. This is my flow: alkane, alkene and alkyne. My dear students, maximum time will be taken by this alkane. These alkanes are being saturated compounds. They are having single bonds, so saturated. Whenever I talk about alkene, they are also known as olefins. Olefins, you know, my dear students, olefins means carbon, double bond carbon, and alkyne means acetylenic bond. Acetylenic bond. What is acetylenic bond? Carbon, triple bond carbon is acetylenic bond. So these are also known as olefins. What gets? Olefins. And this acetylenic bond. Acetylenic bond. But from where Baba is going to start? Alkane, then alkyne. This will take maximum time. Okay. So only what you have to do, once you are able to understand, you have to show me green signal, anything in the form of green. You can show me green hearts or anything else. Okay, will you follow it? Kids, just make a promise. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel. I promise one thing, that I will let you know each and everything in such a way that you will be able to do each and everything in a fantastic manner that will go directly to your hippocampus. Just let me see the chat section. Will you follow my rules, kids? Say yes. Will you follow this much? Say yes in the chat section so that Baba is going to start with. Hey everyone, just do let me know in the chat section. Will you follow this rule? Yes, say yes. Show me green hearts. Show me, because from this much distance I cannot read out, but what I can see in the chat section, the green signal, the hearts, the fire, I can see only this much, kids. So whenever you are able to understand, show me their green hearts, right? Now let's start with alkane. Alkane, sim alkane. Alkane. Whenever there is alkane, suppose if I write CH4, methane. Now just, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In Hindi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In Tamil or Malayalam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. In chemistry, methane, 2 carbon, ethane, butane, pentane, 7 carbons. Heptane or septane, 2 names. Either heptane or septane. Whatever you want to say, you can say. 8 octane, 9 nonane, 10 decane, 11 hendecane. Either you can say hendecane or you can say undecane, endecane. Then dodecane, tridecane, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nonadecane, 20. C20, H42, ecosane, 30. C30, H62, triacont. That's it. Not more than that. So you should know these very important things. Rest of the things are very easy. Now see kids, if I write down compound like this, so first see the compound, then I will tell you the rule. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon. Heptane, it's very simple, heptane. But if I remove one carbon hydrogen from here, hydrogen removed, and if I place like CH2, CH2, CH3, now just see which is the longest chain. Definitely this is going to be the longest chain. Can you see kids? This is going to be the longest chain. So this will be our parent chain, my dear students. Now this is going to be our parent chain. This will be our parent chain. See, because this is the longest chain. This is the longest chain. Now, this is going to be our parent chain. Clear to all of you? Now, first rule is select the longest possible chain of continuous carbon atoms containing what? That I will let you know. Otherwise, again and again, we have to change the rules. I will write down one rule in such a way so that it should not require to be changed. Just see what Baba is going to write. Rule number 1, parent chain selection rule. Rule number 1 is what? Parent chain selection rule. What is that? Parent chain selection rule, kids. This rule I'm not just going to write for alkanes only. I will write a rule in such a manner that no need to change it again and again. Okay? No need to change it again and again. So the rule is, let me write down on next page, parent chain selection rule. Remember that select the longest possible chain of continuous carbon atoms. Select the longest possible chain of continuous carbon atoms. Right? Now remember that if functional group or multiple bond is present in the compound, then they must be the, then they must be the part of parent chain. Remember this point. Mark my words and remember this point. If functional group or multiple bond is present in the parent chain, then remember that they must be the part of parent chain. Whatever is the parent chain, they should be the part of parent chain. You cannot ignore multiple bond or functional group. Remember this. I will not change this. I will never say my dear students, I hope everyone got it. If you got it, just do let me know. I will explain it. I will explain it, kids. Do let me know in the chat section that you are getting this point or not, my dear students. I can see in the chat section that you are able to see it or not, my dear students. Just to let me know. Everyone just to let me know. Now, let me first of all explain this point. See, if I am having compound given like this, CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH, double bond CH2, CH, COOH, CH2, 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 CH3. Now people will say this moving from left hand side going like this zoom, 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 coming down like this is going to be the parent chain. That is going to be the longest one. My dear students, here remember that this is the functional group, COOH. COOH is the functional group and this is the multiple bond. They must be the part of parent chain. Whether your chain is becoming small or long, doesn't matter. They must be the part of parent chain. They are the hero over here. This is your functional group. This is your multiple bond. You can't ignore them. Now, by considering these two things, the longest chain possible is only one. What's that? That is, this is going to be a parent chain. Now, by taking them to be the part of our system, we can say only this is possible. This is going to be our parent chain, kids. Are you getting my point? How many of you got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means parent chain is having 5 carbon atoms. Only 5 carbon atoms. If we are doing mistake, we would have done like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you are saying the parent chain is of 12 carbon atoms, you are doing big mistake. Examiner will give you 0 marks. How many of you are able to understand this point, kids? Do let me know. Baba is asking, show me the green signal if you are getting it. How many of you are able to understand? Let me see in the chat section that my point is clear to how many of you kids. Baba is doing really hard work for you kids. At least you can show green hearts or fire in the chat section if you are able to understand. Please. Fast kids. Green hearts and hit the like buttons. Smash the like button if you're liking it. Now see. I will write 3 types of alkanes just to explain Nulla rule. Which rule? Nulla rule. I will explain NLA rule. Just see. If I write down compound like this, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is the compound. You can see clearly your parent chain is going to be like this. Your parent chain is this. Once the parent chain is selected, that is going to form word root. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means word root is 9. 9 means nonane. This part is clear, nonane. Now no multiple bond is there because I am talking about alkane. So just see, whatever the thing is not the part of chain, these are known as alkyl groups. We will say alkyl group, substituent or prefix, whatever you want to say. Alkyl group you can say, you can call it prefix, or you can call it substituent. And these two carbons are known as substituted carbon. These are known as substituted carbons. Now see, how will you do the numbering? Numbering is done in such a way that the substituted carbon atom should get lowest possible number. Rule number 2 is numbering rule. Let me write down over here. Rule number 2. What's that? Rule number 2 is numbering rule. What's that? Numbering should be done. Numbering should be done. Should be done in such a way that the substituted carbon atom should get lowest possible number, should get lowest possible number. My dear students, this is the rule number 2, that numbering should be done in such a way that the substituted carbon atom should get lowest possible number. Now see, 1, 2, 3. If I am doing numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3. I am getting substituted carbon on third position. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I do numbering from right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am getting at fifth. I am getting at third, which is lowest. Third is lowest. So numbering, I will do this yellow one. This numbering is correct. This one is correct numbering, and that is incorrect. Incorrect. How many of you got it, kids? The way of communication is your signal. If you are getting it, show me green hearts, kids. Let me drink some water. Let me have some water. Till that time you can show me green hearts, the fire, anything, whatever you want to say. If you are not having emojis, you can write down yes, clear. Now, this is numbering rule. Very good. One kid has shown. Let me see. Mahamani. किरण पाठक, वेरी गुड. कोई बात नहीं किरण जी, बाद में नोट्स बना लेना, लेकिन लिखो जल्दी से. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? Akshay, very good. Pavitra, very good. Very good, kids. You are responding. Your love and support will give me energy, kids. If you keep on pressing your chat buttons, emojis, that will give me energy. Now see, numbering rule is clear. Now let's see. If the compound is given like this, see kids, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. Now if I do numbering from left hand side, see kids, left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Numbering rule says we have got alkyl group at third carbon. If I do numbering from right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This rule also says I got at third position. Now there is tie. From both the sides, I am getting alkyl group at third condition. So numbering rule got failed. Which rule got failed? The numbering rule which right now I have told you that got failed. Now in this condition, you have to apply L rule. What is L? L for lowest locant rule, lowest locant rule, or you can say lowest sum rule, lowest sum rule. What's that? Just see. If I do numbering from left hand side, where I am getting the prefixes, one prefix I am getting at 3, another prefix I am getting at 5, another prefix I am getting at 6. Just add 3 plus 5, 8, and 6, 14. Now numbering if done from right hand side, what I am getting, kids? 1 at 3, just see, 1 at 4, and this one at 6. So see, 6, 4, 10, 13. Which one is lowest? Write down in the chat section. 14 is lowest or 13 is lowest? 13 is being lowest, kids. This is being lowest, and this numbering is correct. This numbering is correct, and that numbering will be incorrect. It will be incorrect, incorrect. Now everyone is able to understand. Right now I am not writing the name, the IUPAC name. I am just trying to tell you the locant rule. How many of you got it? Then after some time, once the rules are clear, I will tell you how to write down their IUPAC names. Kids, first of all, everyone do let me know. Now see how to write down once the numbering is clear its name. See, its name will be, its IUPAC name will be, numbering, that one is correct. That one is correct. So see, 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6 dash trimethyl, and how many carbons? 8. Octane, octane, right? The previous one's name will be, just see, 3, 4, 6 trimethyl octane. The previous one's name will be C. This is methyl, that is methyl, this one was correct. So 3 and 5. 3, 5 dimethyl nonane. This is nonane, and that is your octane. Octane, clear? Two rules are clear to all of you. These two rules are exactly clear. Now see, if the compound is given like this, just see to it, kids. If the compound given is like this, CH3, everyone just see, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. Just see. If I do the numbering from left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am getting at 3. First alkyl I am getting at 3, third position. If I do the numbering from right hand side, 1, 2, 3, I am getting at 3. So numbering rule got failed. Numbering failed. If I apply Locant rule from left hand side, the Locant rule says 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. If I apply from right hand side the Locant rule, so 3 plus 3, this one is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 plus 5, 8 got failed. This got failed because this is also 8 and this is also 8. So Locant rule got failed. This is also failed. N failed, L failed, so you have to apply alphabetical order. Alphabetically, who will come first? This is methyl and that is being ethyl. Who comes first in the dictionary, M or E? Just to let me know who comes first, M or E. Definitely E will come first. So the numbering should be done from this side and the name will be, name of this compound will be 3-ethyl 5-methyl and how many carbons? 7. Heptane or septane. Now this much is clear to how many of you? NLA. Always follow Nalla, NLA. The trick is NLA. Write down in the chat section if this much is clear to all of you kids. Pavitra, very good. Everyone just to let me know you are getting it or not. I want to see in the chat section. Is it making sense, kids? Everyone, I want to see your comments. Kiran Pathak, आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? No, it's not the premier going on. Hacker Ramlal, it's not the premier. Don't write like that. Hacker Ramlal, it's not the premier going on. I am live. Mahamani, NLA, very good. Hacker Ramlal, what are you writing again and again? If this concept is clear or not, write down. You are writing premier is going on. Why are you spreading fake news? It's not the premier going on. I am telling you each and everything live. I can see your chats. Why are you writing like that? Hacker Ramlal? Now, so this is all clear about alkane. Now, let me tell you its bond line notation. Bond line notation of alkane. Everyone see to it. Bond line notation of alkane. Are you ready, kids? This is important one. Bond line notation. Suppose if I write like this, or if I write like this, all they are starting from here. and they are getting ended over here. Starting from here, getting ended over here. Starting from here, getting ended over here. All three are ethane because they are having two carbons. Ethane. If I write down something like this, sharp bend is there. Sharp bend is there. That means one carbon, second carbon, third carbon, total 3 carbons. You can see starting from here, this and this, 1, 2, 3, propane, propane. Now if I write something like this, just see to it. If I draw something like this, how many carbons gets? Write down in the chat section if you are able to understand. How many carbons? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pentane. English says this is M. Chemistry says this is pentane. Now see, English says this is W, but chemistry IUPAC says whether M or W, they are same. M is pentane, W is also pentane because it is having 5 carbons. Gets how many of you are getting it? If you are able to understand this much, just try to focus on this. If I write down something like this, plus sign or multiplication sign, just see. Let me explain. In the center there is 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon. So the valency I can satisfy because carbon's valency is 4, 1 is already there. So I will put 3 hydrogens, 3 hydrogens, 3 hydrogens, 3 hydrogens. So 1, 2, 3. I can do like this. 1, 2, 3. So at 2, 1 methyl, 2, 1 methyl. So what should be the IUPAC name? 2, 2 dimethyl and propane. Propane. Whether I write for this or that, both are exactly same, kids. Both are exactly same. You are able to understand. If you are able to understand, then do let me know what is the IUPAC name of this compound. Let's see how many actually you got it, kids. How many of you are able to understand this compound? Let's see. Very good. Who is there? Who is responding? Arun, very good. HSP. Arun, welcome. Now the chat section will run fastly. Very good. I can see Sadia is there. Shushmita is there. Arun, thank you. Now I will get quick response. My dear kids are there. Now everyone, now see. Which one is going to be the longest chain? Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here ethyl, there ethyl. So at both the two places ethyl. So 4, 4 diethyl and heptane. Everyone got it? If it is clear, then if these points are clear to all of you, then you have to tell me, kids, how many carbons are there in the parent chain of this compound. Just see. I'm going to write down. Everyone just see how many carbon atoms are there in the parent chain of this compound. Say everyone. How many carbons are there in the parent chain of this compound? I want to see in the chat section. I'm here just in the front of the screen, kids. Do let me know. Fast. Everyone. Whenever you get time, show me green hearts, kids, so that I can understand that you people are able to understand. You are there with Baba to understand each and everything, kids. Pavitra is saying 12. Let me see what other students are saying. Kids, everyone, rest of other kids. Akanksha is going for 11, Hacker for 14. Now let me check it out whose answer is going to be correct. Now see, kids, let me tell you how many carbons are there in the parent chain. Just see. 1, 2, 3, bent 4, bent 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see how many of a winner. 12 carbons in the parent chain. Now, what should be the name? You can see this is methyl, that is methyl. So 2, 7 dimethyl, and dodecane, kids, decane. Everyone got it? Now, is it clear to each and everyone? If yes, show me green hearts if it is clear to all of you. Now let me give you another compound. Just see to it. Here is the compound. Here is the compound, kids. Now do let me know how many carbons in the parent chain. How many carbon atoms are there in the parent chain? Let me check it out. Write down in the chat section how many carbon atoms are there in the parent chain. Let me check it out in the screen. Dark words, Sebastian, everyone, just to let me know how many carbon atoms in the parent chain in this compound. Let's see. Let's see, everyone, check out your answer. Everyone, just check out your answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These two alkyl groups are located. So its IUPAC name will be, kids, 5, 6 diethyl, 5, 6 diethyl and 2, 4 dimethyl, 2, 4 dimethyl. Decane. This is complete one name. No gap should be there. Without gap, we have to write down the name. Everyone got it or not? Just to let me know in the chat section. Show me green hearts. Adisha is going for 10. Very good, Adiksha. Hacker Ramlal. Everyone, just to let me know. Have you understood? If yes, show me green hearts. Now, kids, let me tell you where to use bis. Where to use bis? Just see, bis. Use of bis, tris, tetra, kiss, like that. Use of bis. Just see, everyone, where to use bis. Are you ready? Suppose if I draw a compound like this, CH3, CH2, 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 CH. First of all, let me write down CH2 only. CH2, 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 CH3. Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carbons in the parent chain, right? Now suppose if I remove one hydrogen from here, and if I place compound like this, CH2, 1, 2, 3. So let me not to place at this place. Let me place it out here. Just see. If I place here CH2, CH2, CH3. Now what will you say? You will say definitely one carbon methyl group has been replaced from here. You will count it like this, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly coming on the 5th position. Now we will say 5-propyl decane. You will say like this, 5-propyl decane. Now, if I remove this hydrogen from here also, and if I place CH2, CH2, CH3, now what will you say? 5,5-dipropyl decane. You will say 5,5-dipropyl decane, right, kids? 5,5-dipropyl decane. Are you getting my point? I can see in the chat section. Shukumar, yes. Sahana, welcome, Sahana. Long time. I was waiting for you only. My dear students, see, 5,5 dipropyl decane. 5,5 dipropyl decane. We will get like this. Let me copy it. Kids. So, 5,5 dipropyl decane. Let me write down its name. 5,5 dipropyl decane, right? Now, my dear students, 5,5 dipropyl decane. Till now, it's clear. Till now, is it okay to all of you? Now, see, kids. What if here also one branch has come? Here also one branch has come. Then what will you do, kids? Just see, everyone. Here also one branch has come. CH, CH3, CH, CH3. This was like the tree. This was like the tree, trunk of the tree. These are the branches. It is the branch 3 meter long. This is the also branch 3 meters long. But now the branch has developed what? Branch has developed sub-branch. This is the sub-branch. Now see, kids, branch and sub-branch, they are exactly same. Branch and sub-branch, they are exactly same, and they are on the same carbon. And further numbering, if I do, see, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Here also 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. From where we will count 1 dash, 2 dash? The carbon from which the branch has been originated. Now this branch, this branch, this sub-branch, this sub-branch, exactly same. When the carbon is same of the two branches, their sub-branches carbon is same, exactly everything is same, we will use the word vis, because we cannot use di 2 times. So what should be the IUPAC name of this compound? So see, 5, 5 bis. Now within bracket we will write down 2 dash methyl, and this sub branch methyl is the part of branch propyl. Now bracket close. Now we will write decane. How many of you got it, kids? How many of you got it? This is clear or not, kids? Do let me know. How many of you got it? This is going to be the IUPAC name, kids. If it is clear, do let me know, kids. I want to see whether you are able to understand or not. My dear student, just to let me know. Let me have water. Till that time, you let me know in the chat section. If it is clear, then show me green hearts. Let me see whether Baba is able to tell you. Baba is able to. Wow, thank you. Kids are there. And Baba's support that yes, everyone is able to get it. Wow. Wow. Amanja, very good. Kids, if everyone is able to understand, hit the like button, smash the like button. Baba is doing really hard work now. Baba is going to tell you about alkene. Alkene, kids. See, I am moving towards alkene. Alkene. Now see, the smallest alkene is CH2 double bond CH2. Its IUPAC name is ethene, and its journal name is, this is the IUPAC, and if I talk about the journal name, then ethylene. Ethylene, kids. Ethylene is journal name, or you can say trivial name, or you can say common name. Now, if I write it down like this, CH3, CH double bond CH2, what will you say, kids? And if I write it like this, CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2, what will you say? And if I write it like this, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3, what will you say, kids? These are the three names. Now let me tell you. 1, 2, 3. What will you say, kids? Definitely propene or prop-1-ene. Propene. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Butene, or you simply can say butene. But here 1, 2, 3, 4. Butene. You have to say butene, kids. Butene. I hope this much is clear to each and everyone. But the new thing arises over here, kids. See, if the compound is given like this, if the compound is given like this, see, kids, CH3, CH double bond CH, kids. Now CH double bond CH2. Now two double bonds are there. So the numbering should be done from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I have done numbering from right hand side? Because the double bond is coming earlier from that position. So I will write. Now remember that if two double bonds are there, we have to write down a diene. 3 double bonds are there, we will write down a triene. Like this. So see, we will write down its name penta. What? Penta 1, 3 diene. Penta 1, 3 diene. See, penta 1, 3 diene. If the question is given like this, kids, CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH double bond CH2, CH, CH double bond CH, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Now, my dear students, the main thing arises, which should be our parent chain. So in the starting, I have told you, your parent chain must contain maximum number of multiple bonds as maximum possible. So this is double bond and that is double bond. They should be the part of parent chain. So your parent chain must be like this. This should be your parent chain, because what should be the part of parent chain? Do let me know, kids. Maximum number of multiple bond. Now you will say one thing, sir, our longest parent chain is coming like this. Why are you not selecting that as the longest chain? We have studied that we have to select the longest possible. Kids, you have to select the longest possible, but remember my words, that multiple bonds should be the part of parent chain. You cannot leave them. So this is the parent chain. I hope that you got it. Show me the green hearts if you're getting my point. And it is starting from here. Double bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what should be the IUPAC name, kids? IUPAC name will be, this is how many carbons? 4 carbons. So I will say butyl, and that is having also butyl. So 3, 4 dibutyl and hepta 1,5-diene. I hope this is clear. Let me see in the chat section how many of you got it clear, my dear students. Sahana Achupamam, thank you. Okay, kids, show me green hearts if it is clear. 1,5-diene. Very good, Sahana. Amanja, very good, Amanja. I'm liking your comment. Fantastic. Kiran Pathak, very good. Everyone is able to understand, kids. Keep on showing green hearts whenever you are getting it. Akanksha got it. Very good. Mahamani got it. Now, very good. Now, let me show you this thing in bond line notation of alkene. Bond line notation. See, bond line notation. So, let me tell you the bond line notation of whatever the things I am telling you, I am teaching you, kids. Just see, everyone. If I draw two lines like this, and if I draw two lines like this, is there any difference, kids, in three compounds? In these three compounds, is there any difference? Yes. This means there is one carbon, and these two lines are starting from here, one carbon, ending at same one carbon. So it is like this, CH2 double bond CH2, ethylene or ethene. Ethene is the IUPAC name. But see in this line is starting from here. So one carbon, this is saying, oh, I am starting from here. So one carbon, that is saying, hey, we are ending at same position. So one carbon. How many carbons are there? Just to let me know. So CH3, CH double bond CH2, propane. Now kids, in that, how many carbons are there? This line is saying, hey, I'm getting starting from here, 1 to 10. So this is starting from here. This is saying, oh, Baba, I'm to getting started from here. So one carbon, I'm ending. Oh, I'm ending over there. How many carbons? Kids, how many carbons? So this is one carbon, this is one carbon, this is one carbon, this is one carbon. So it's like this, CH2 CH double bond CH, CH3, butene. How many of you got it? All three? All three. How many of you got it? Show me in the chat section if it is clear, kids. Baba is applying all the efforts, kids, to make it clear. Baba is putting his all efforts, kids, for you. At least hit the like buttons, kids. Number of students are there, but likes are less. Why, kids? Why, kids? Why? Very good, very good, very good. Now see. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you, thank you. Now see, kids. Everyone just see. If anyone is going to give you compound like this, if they are giving you compound like this, see. Yes. How many carbons parent chain is there? Just write down how many carbon atoms are there in the parent chain. I want to see in the chat section. Write down how many carbon atoms there in the parent chain. If you are really able to understand, Hero Brian, welcome, welcome. Write down how many carbon atoms there in the parent chain. Everyone, I want to see in the chat section. Oh, Sahana. Oh, ho. 6. Everyone is going for 6. So let me see to it that 6 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Propyl and butyl. So I will write what? 3 butyl, 4 propyl, hexa 1, 4 diene. Is it clear to all of you, kids? This is the correct IUPAC nomenclature. I want to see in the chat section, kids. It is yours answer or not? If yes, show me green hearts. Show me green hearts if this is your answer, kids. Now next one. Fast. Very good. Now see. Triple bond. Baba is going to tell you about triple bond. Alkyne. Alkyne means we will write like this. CH triple bond CH. Its IUPAC name is ethine. Ethine, kids. Ethine. It's the IUPAC name, kids, and its general name is acetylene. Acetylene. This is general name. Now, if I write down compound like this, CH3, CH2, C triple bond C CH3. From where triple bond is coming earlier? 1, 2. It's from that side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent to ine. Pent to ine. Clear to all of you, kids? Now, if by chance double bond and triple bond coming together, all together, then we will say alkyne. What we will say? alkyne. Just see, alkyne, alkyne, alkyne. Now what is this alkyne? See kids, alkyne. Suppose if I write like this, CH, triple bond CH, CH2, CH double bond CH, CH3. Now kids, number of times there is misconception that if double and triple bond are coming all together in this compound, then we will give preference to double bond. That is wrong. Whoever is coming first, we will give preference to that. If double bond is coming first, then give preference to double bond. If triple bond is coming earlier, give preference. Now see, this side triple bond is coming on first position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if I count from that side, it is coming on second position, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So who is coming earlier? 1 is coming earlier, so this is correct. From that side it is coming on second position, so this is incorrect numbering. Incorrect numbering, kids, got it? Everyone got it or not? So its name will be, its IUPAC name will be hex 1, no, hex, this numbering 4 N and 1 ine. Remember that in your chemistry, A, E, I, O, U, Y, these are 5 considered to be vowels, and its tail, this was the tail, it will not be there. Tail, it's ins tail, and ines, this is head. So in this case we have to delete tail. Got it? Tail will not be there in the parent chain, means in the name. Now if this is clear to all of you, then see one name which you know very well. This is well known compound, CH3, C triple bond C, CH2, CH double bond CH, CH3. Now see kids, what's the problem in this compound? If I count from left hand side, 1, 2, it is coming on 2. Now if I count from this side, 1, 2, it is coming on 2. So which rule is getting failed? Numbering rule is getting failed. Locant rule is getting failed. Apply alphabetical order. Nulla. Have I told you nulla, kids? Nulla. So nulla we have to apply. So you can see its name is in. Its name is ein. Which comes first? E. So that numbering is correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll call it hept. Hept 2 N and 5 ine. Kids, is it clear? Till now, is it clear to each and everyone? Baba is not using even a single slide, just to make it very clear so that everyone can understand. Kids, do let me know. Writing is clear, voice is clear, concepts are clear or not. Kids, Baba is teaching continuously day and night so that you people should get rank, kids. Baba is at your service, kids. Always at your service. ABCD. Kids, show me green hearts if you're liking my teaching. Everyone, it's a humble request of Baba. Akanksha clear, ABCD clear. You are getting it in this way. Should I increase the speed? Kids, do let me know. Dashni, everyone, you are liking my teaching. Everyone, do let me know. Is the concept clarity is there or not, my dear students? Everyone do let me know. Kiran Pathak, very good. Very good, Tulsi, very good. Now, alkane, alkene and alkyne is clear. Now, Baba is switching to functional groups. So, see, functional groups. Most important thing, functional groups, IUPAC. Functional groups. My dear students, when we talk about functional groups IUPAC, one thing should be very clear in our brain, the priority order of functional groups. Remember that priority order of functional groups is the most important thing. Priority order of functional groups. This I will tell you, I will teach you first point. After this, remember that senior most functional group, every functional group will have two types of names. Every functional group will have two types of names. Now, what are these two types of names? One name when that functional group is senior, and one name once that functional group is junior. Are you getting my point? Once it is junior, once it is senior. If it is senior, its name will be different. They will use it as secondary suffix. Secondary suffix. And if it is junior, it will have its another name. So, two types of names for every functional groups. Now, let me tell you, my dear students, before I am going to tell you the functional groups priority order, let me teach you something. Remember that if any compound is there, for example, if I am writing like this, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH, COOH, right? And if I say, suppose if I add over here OH, CH2, COOH. So I will teach you which is the senior most. Let me first of all tell you this is senior most. So this will used as secondary suffix. This is junior functional group. So it will used as prefix. Its name will not be all. If it has been the senior most, its name will be all, but here it is junior, so its name will be prefix hydroxy. This is known as double bond primary suffix. We will call it primary suffix. So whenever we are going to write down IUPAC name, we have to remember that if in a compound more than one type of functional groups are there, then always the senior most functional group will be the senior, rest of all other junior will be act as prefix. So what I want to say, in one organic compound there is always one type of senior most functional group that will act as suffix, rest of all other junior groups will act as prefix. Is this point clear? Are you getting my point, kids? So let me write down one point that make very clear in your brain, kids. In an organic compound, in an organic compound senior most functional group will act as secondary suffix rest of all other groups, other functional groups if present will act as prefix or substituent like other alkyl groups. Without any preference. If this point is clear, kids, do let me know that yes. Then I am going to tell you the priority of functional groups, and if you want to know the trick, then also I will give you trick also, kids. Yeah, Hema, I remember you. Now, kids, for the functional group, if you know the priority order, if you want to know the priority order, then I will tell you the priority order, and a trick also I will let you know. But if you say then only, or plain I can teach. How many of you want to know that trick? The mnemonic for that functional group's priority order. Show me green hearts. Yeah, ore wow, Herobrine, do you know that? Oh, yeah, that means I will tell you the trick. Now see, kids, wow, there are Baba's fan. Now see, one, the most important one is carboxylic acid, COOH. What is its name? What is its name? Carboxylic acid. What I will say? Carboxylic acid. Now the second one is kids, 2, 3, 4. Sulfonic acid, SO3H, sulfonic acid. Then anhydride, kids, anhydride. Ester, kids, ester. Fruity smell. Esters have got fruity smell. Now, these are the 4. You have to remember these 4, kids. The topmost 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2 more. What are these 2 more? 1, 2. Now what are these 2, kids? 5th, acid halide, COX. Then amide, CONH2. Acid halide, amide. Now, after remembering these, Baba will tell you the trick. Don't worry, Baba will let you know the trick. Okay, don't worry, kids. Okay. Now these four. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What are these 4? Cyanide, isocyanide, aldehyde, ketone. Cyanide, isocyanide, aldehyde, ketone. Cyanide, isocyanide, aldehyde, ketone. Now four more skits. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th, now 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. What are these? Just see, kids. Alcohol, mercapto, amine, double bond and triple bond, unsaturated compounds, right? 14 are these 14 kids. Now you can learn them directly, or if you want to know the trick, Baba will let you know the trick. How many of you want to know the trick? The song for it. Show me green hearts in the chat section, or you can write down, yes sir, we need. If you don't have emojis, you can write down, yes sir, we need, or show me the green hearts, kids. Then Baba will let you know how to remember this. Fast, everyone. Very good. Kiran is saying, just tell us the trick. So Baba is going to tell you the trick, but one condition. Kids, there is one condition. You have to sing along with me. Will you? Everyone, are you ready? You have to sing along with Baba. Then only Baba is going to tell you the trick. Yes, yes, yes. Do let me know, kids. Will you? Will you? Show me some fire in the chat section if ready, kids. If you're ready. I want to see some fire in the chat section. Okay, now see. Everyone see. This is car, Salman, right, Ester. Now see, focus on this red point. Car is moving along with Salman for a better ride. Anhydride. Hey, car is moving along with Salman for a better ride. Anhydride towards the garden of esters to get fruity smell. Everyone say, hey, car is moving along with Salman for a better ride. Anhydride towards the garden of Ester for the fruity smell. For the fruity smell. Let me see in the chat section, everyone is singing it or not. Hey, car is moving along with Salman for a better ride. Anhydride towards the garden of Ester for the fruity smell. Got it? These four, have you learnt, kids? Do let me know these four, have you learnt or not? And smash the like button, kids. Why likes are so less? At least make them 60. Car is moving along with Salman for a better ride. Anhydride, because without this you won't be able to do anything, kids. Now, car is moving along with Salman. Car is moving along with Salman for a better ride. Anhydride towards the garden of Ester for fruity smell. Acid halide, carboxamide. Just do boxing. Acid halide, carboxamide, acid halide, carboxamide. So these six all together. Car is moving along with Salman for a better ride. Anhydride. Hey, car is moving along with Salman for a better ride. Anhydride towards the garden of Ester for fruity smell. Acid halide, carboxamide. Now, cyanoaldehyde ketone. Cyanoaldehyde ketone. Cyanoaldehyde ketone. Very good, Sahana. Yeah, possible laughing. Okay, Murli. Now, everyone, are you enjoying it or not? First of all, do let me know. Otherwise, you can remember in this way only. Whatever the way you want to learn it, you can do that. If everyone is enjoying, do let me know. Cyanoaldehyde ketone. Hey, car is moving along with Salman for a better ride. Anhydride towards the garden of fruity smell. Acid halide, carboxamide. This is carboxamide actually. This is carboxamide. Acid halide, carboxamide. Cyanoaldehyde ketone having alcohol. Margya captain. Having alcohol, drinking alcohol. Margya. Marnam. Having drinking alcohol. Margya. Amine. The world has become unsaturated. Pilia alcohol. Margya captain. Amine. World has become unsaturated. Kids, you liked it or not? Kiran Pathak. Everyone, do let me know. Sandhya R, first of all, do let me know. Everyone liked it or not? Okay, now let's see. Let's see the use of it. Now suppose, first of all, I will tell you how to write down the IUPAC. While writing IUPAC, you should remember PP plus P plus word root plus PS plus SS. This is the way how to write down the IUPAC. If the compound is bigger, how to write down its IUPAC. Now, what are the meanings of these words? See the meanings. Let me tell you the meanings of these words. This is word root. Just, you know, in English, before word root, before the word, what you will apply? What we are applying, just to let me know. We are applying prefix. This is being prefix. Prefix. Who are being prefixes here? Alkyl group. Junior functional groups. Right? This is PP, position of prefix. Position of prefix. This is word root and this is primary suffix. Who is going to be primary suffix, kids? Whom to say primary suffix, kids? Double bond and triple bond will act as primary suffix. Double bond or triple bond. Now who will be your secondary suffix? Remember that senior most functional group. Now, this is the format in which you have to write down the IUPAC kits. Okay, everyone, is there any doubt in this format? If yes, any doubt, do let me know. Any doubt, then do let me know. This is the format, kids. Any doubt in this? I don't think there is any doubt, kids. Okay, now see, let me show you. Suppose if I write down one compound like this, see everyone, CH3, everyone see to it, CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH double bond CH2, CH, OH, CH, 2, COOH. Now first of all, our main fundamental thing is, while doing numbering, what we are supposed to do. While doing numbering, the order must be, numbering order, the preference order must be, first preference should be given to secondary suffix, after that multiple bond, and after that substituent. Remember that. This should be our order. In this way only we will give preference, then only our compound is going to be for the correct IUPAC nomenclature. Remember, mark my words, I am telling you this particular thing. So see, our parent chain must be this one. This is going to be our parent chain. Am I right, kids? Everyone, are you getting my point? This is going to be our parent chain. Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt. I don't think there is going to be any doubt. Now see, we have to do the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the multiple bond. Now this is left. So this is going to be our prefix. What is the name of this prefix, kids? Butyl. Butyl. This is also going to be our prefix. Junior functional group will also be prefix hydroxy. Now kids, who is coming alphabetical wise first? This is starting with H. This is starting with H and this is starting with B. So this is getting preference. So we'll write 4-butyl 3-hydroxy now hex 5-ene, hex 5-ene 1-oic acid. Now see, one small problem is there in this compound. This E will not be there because that E and this O is vowel. So that should not be there. So this E we have to delete. I hope this point is clear. This IUPAC is clear. If yes, then show me some green hearts in the chat section so that I can understand. Sandhya, Everyone do let me know. Everyone. Are you able to get it? Everyone just to let me know. Everyone is getting it or not. My humble request, kids, to tell me whether everyone is getting or not. Baba is really doing hard work, so everyone do let me know. Yes, yes, kids, yes. Everyone getting it? Now, see kids. Let me tell you, let me teach you. IUPAC of carboxylic acid. See. IUPAC of carboxylic acid. Are you ready, kids? IUPAC of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid IUPAC. So remember everyone, HCOOH, CH3COOH, CH3CH2COOH, CH3CH2 CH2 COOH, CH3 CH2 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 COOH, CH3 CH2 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 COOH. Now their IUPAC is very simple. Why IUPAC is very simple, kids? Anyone can write down its IUPAC because this is methanoic acid. This is ethanoic, propanoic, butanoic, pentanoic, hexanoic. Everyone can write. Then what is the difficult thing? What is the difficult thing, kids? Do let me know. What is difficult? Difficult is their journal name. Remember that. Examiner will ask their journal names and their journal names are going to be difficult. Journal names will be difficult. Now remember my one thing, kids. If anything is getting started with one, formic acid. Formica means ant, so formic acid. Ethanoic acid means acetic acid. This is 3 carbons, so it is propanoic. Propanoic is IUPAC, so general name is propionic acid. Propionic acid. Propionic acid. Butyric, rancid butter, so butyric acid. Valeric acid, this is very very important name, valeric acid, and this is caproic acid. Caproic and valeric, mark my words, these two are very very important, valeric and caproic. Kids got it? Everyone got it or not? Do let me know. These are the points the examiner will ask, my dear friends. Now one more thing, let me tell you what examiner will ask, that is going to play a very very important role. Let me tell you what's that. Names of dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid, kids. Dicarboxylic acid. Now just see. ohms gap. Say everyone, ohms gap. What is the meaning of this ohms gap? Oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric. Remember that, not glutamic. Glutamic is amino acid. Glutaric acid, adipic acid, pimalic acid. Now remember that how to write down their structures. Baba is going to give you one trick. Just see, just focus on the trick. I'm going to give you one trick. Everyone just see. Trick is number of CH2 groups. Just see number of CH2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the meaning of this? If I say oxalic acid, then how will you write oxalic acid? Let me show you. Then you can understand what I mean, kids. Oxalic acid means COOH. COOH, 2 COH groups, nothing else, no CH2, because their CH2 is 0. But here 1 CH2, that means 1 CH2 and then 2 COH. If I say succinic acid, so how many CH2s are there? 2. So I will write down 2 CH2s, then COH and COH. So I hope this is clear. So anyone is going to write pimalic acid or adipic acid. Suppose adipic acid, it will be used in polymers. So 4 CH2s. 4 CH2s means CH2 whole 4 COH COH. So everyone, you have to remember the trick. Ohms. Everyone say. If you're not following me, then I'm not going to tell you the tricks. Ohms gap. Everyone say, repeat. Ohms gap. Ohms gap. Let me see you are doing it or not. It is helping it out or not. Are you getting helped or not? If yes, then show me green hearts in the chat section if you're really getting help, kids. If you are really getting help, kids. Ohms gap. Ohms gap. Ohms gap. Everyone say, very good, Sahana. Unacademy is the best. Really, Unacademy is best. Now see, let me teach some more different types of points, kids. Just see. If I say that I am having COOH, CH2, CH, COOH. Okay, let me remove this. CH2, CH2, COOH. So line is getting started from here and that is getting ended over there. So count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many names you can write? Pentane, 1,5 dioic acid, or you can write pent 1,5 dioic acid, Now, my dear students, even you can write down like this, pentane dioic acid or pent dioic acid. Why? This one is also correct because the first carbon will be COH and the fifth carbon will be COH, because COH cannot come in between. COH will always be on terminal. COH can't be in between. COH can't come in between. COOH will always be on terminal side. Can't be in the middle. Got it, kids? Now, actually, why I am telling you all these things? Now, I will write down one compound where maximum number of people they are doing mistake. That thing I am going to deal with. Just see, kids. If I write down compound like this, see to it, COOH, CH2, CH, COOH, CH2, COOH. Now, no one can count all the three COOH. Can you count all the three COH, kids? Is there anyone who can count all the three COH? Is it possible to count? Is it possible to count all three COH? No. Answer is no. So, kids, remember that when we cannot count all the three COH, or we can say whenever three or more COOH are directly attached to parent chain, directly attached to parent chain, then we have to use chemical abstract name. What we have to use? Chemical abstract name should be used. Chemical abstract name. Now, what is that chemical abstract name? Just see. We will write down this as the parent chain. No COH will be the part of parent chain, and we will do it like this. See, kids, we will do it like this. How, kids? See to it. 1, 2, 3. So, propane, one, two, three, tricarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid. I hope this point is very much clear to all of you. The chemical abstract name is clear. Everyone got it? If yes, show me some fire or green hearts. If this is clear, Sahana, very good. Kiran Pathak, very good. Very good, kids. You are really liking it. Am I perfectly audible and visible to all of you, kids? Just to let me know my voice is clear to each and everyone. Thank you, Sahana, thank you. Now, kids, Madhumita, thank you. Now, if remember that if COH is the part of this I have written for acyclic. This I have written for acyclic, means open chain compound. Open chain compound means not cyclic. Now, in case of cyclic, just see, in case of cyclic, two options are there. In cyclic, two options are there. See to it. What are these two? One compound is this. and one compound is like this. Just try to see the difference. This is A, that is B. In compound A, COH and cycle is directly attached. Can you see? COOH is directly attached to cycle. Directly attached to cycle. Here, COH is not directly attached to cycle. Is not directly attached to cycle. Now, how it will make difference? Just see. If COH is directly attached to cycle, we will use chemical abstract name. Chemical abstract name should be used. This chemical abstract name is used in place of secondary suffix only. So you will write cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Its name will be what? Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Now, my dear students, we cannot use chemical abstract name. So, what should be the name of this compound? 1, 2. We will write 2-cyclohexyl. What should be the name? 2-cyclohexyl ethanoic acid. I hope this is clear to each and everyone. I hope this point is very much clear. This is making sense, kids. Wow, thank you. Great, Sahana. That's really awesome. Kids are loving Baba HSP. Wow, very good. Now see, this is clear to each and everyone. Sir, everyone wants qualitative and quantitative analysis. Okay. Wow, that's really fantastic. Now see, kids. Let me tell you some more IUPACs. Just see to it, everyone. Now, let me tell you sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid is very simple, kids. Sulfonic acid, whenever it is coming, it's not tough. So, it is. They are asking like this: CH3, CH2, SO3H. We will say ethane sulfonic acid. No problem is there. Ethane sulfonic acid. It's very simple, kids. Very simple. Now, anhydride is important. Anhydride, why it is important? Just see, there are two types of anhydrides. One is being symmetrical anhydride. What's there? Symmetrical. Just see, if I write down CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. Just see, in between, in the middle, there is breaking of the chain. The carbon chain breaking is there. No carbon is present over here. So, either side you can count like this, 1, 2. Or 1, 2, you will say ethanoic anhydride. 2 carbon is ethanoic anhydride. But in case of unsymmetrical, if it is being unsymmetrical, kids, just see unsymmetrical like H, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3, because one side is one carbon, one side two carbon, one carbon, 1, 2. Eth will come first, meth will come later on alphabetical wise. Ethanoic, methanoic, anhydride, anhydride, anhydride. Kids got it? Now, ester is very, very important and very, very dangerous also. Ester, just see. Always remember that ester is very, very dangerous. Ester. So take care of ester, kids. Ester. Ester is like this. R C O O R dash. This R dash should not be hydrogen, otherwise it will become acid. Otherwise R dash can be alkyl or aryl. This R can be hydrogen, alkyl or aryl. It can be anything, kids. Now, remember that how to write down its name. This R dash should be written first. In place of R dash, always write down alkyl. Then see the rest of the part. Alkanoate, alkanoate, alkyl, alkanoate. Let's see. Let me give you one example. Let me show you one example. For example, they have written like this. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. So this is attached with oxygen. So whatever is attached with oxygen, write down first. Methyl. Now do the numbering 1, 2, 3. Propanoate. Are you getting my point? Everyone, are you getting my point? Let me make it more clearer. More clearer. Let's just see to it. More clarity will come if you see more examples. CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, CH ethyl, C double bond O, CH3. Now see, kids, numbering should be done from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the confusion is, some of you must be thinking, sir, this is ethyl and this is methyl. Who should be written first? That is the most important question. So what I am telling you, kids, the chain is getting broken up from here. This is chain getting broken up. So that is the other part of the country. So that should be written first. Always write down this. Whatever is present, write down it first. Write down it firstly. Right? Then only you should do anything. So we'll write methyl. Methyl should be written first. Now think that is ethyl. So 2 ethyl and hex 3NO8 O8. Is it clear, kids? Let me see in the chat section that. Is it clear to all of you, kids? Do let me know. Is it clear to each and everyone? Ravi Chandra, welcome. Ravi Chandran, welcome. Everyone, do let me know. Is it clear, kids? Okay, qualitative and quantitative analysis, I will let you know. But first of all, do let me know. Is this much clear to each and everyone or not, my dear students? Everyone, do let me know. Is it clear? Now, after acid, acid halide. Let's see acid halide. But before acid halide, let me tell you kids, let me tell you, before acid halide, one thing I would like to say, prefix of ester. Prefix of ester. What's the prefix of ester? So remember that there are two types of prefixes. One is carboalkoxy or alkoxycarbonyl. Alkoxycarbonyl. Now let's see how to and when to use it. How to use it and when to use it. For example, if I say CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, CH double bond O, OC2H5, COOH is there. So who is senior most functional group, kids? Definitely this is going to be the senior most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on 2, what you will say, carbo, and this is alkoxy. Can you see carbo and alkoxy? So 2 carbo ethoxy and hex 3N 1 oic acid. I think that this is clear to each and everyone. Do let me know. Is this clear, kids? Very good. Now see to it. The next one, what I was, acid halide. So RCOX, where X is the halogen, now its name is alkanoyl halide. Alkanoyl halide. For example, CH3, CH2, COCl. So numbering should be done like this. 1, 2, 3. Propanoyl chloride, propanoyl chloride. Now how will you do the prefix? Its prefix will be like this: CH3, CH double bond CH, CH, COCl, COOH. So its prefix is haloformyl. Haloformyl. Say everyone, haloformyl. So how will you do it? Just see to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 chloroformyl. Chloroformyl pent 3N 1 oic acid. If this much is clear, do let me know. Show me some green hearts in the chat section so that I can understand it's clear to each and everyone. Everyone, do let me know if it is clear to each and every one of you kids. Hey everyone. Very good, very good, very good everyone. That's really fantastic. Now everyone smash the like button. Make it at least 80 kids. Let's go, and it's reach to 80. I want to see that it should go up to 80 kids. Everyone, Baba will tell you each and everything. This is your Baba HSP. I will let you know each and everything, kids. Kiran Pathak, very good, very good, very good. Now see, kids. After this cyanide, let me tell you cyanide. Very, very important. Cyanide. Cyanide is RCN. Its secondary suffix is alkane nitrile. Alkane nitrile. Its chemical abstract name is carbonitrile. Carbonitrile. Its prefix is cyno. Now let's see each and everything. CH3, C triple bond N. Its journal name is acetonitrile. This is the journal name, kids. Acetonitrile, very, very famous name. Acetonitrile. This is the journal name. IUPAC name will be, kids, 1,2 simple ethane nitrile. Now I hope this point is very much clear, but if you see, they are going to give you compound like this: cyanide, CH2, 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 CN. This is very simple. Numbering should be done from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane 1,5 dinitrile. Now kids, if they are giving 3 cyanides, then how will you do it? See, 1 cyanide, CH2, CHCN, CH2CN. How will you do it? Now the same thing I have told you. What you are supposed to do, do not count any one. The parent chains should be like this: 1, 2, 3. Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbonitrile. I hope this point is clear. This much is clear to each and every one of you, kids. Wow, so many hearts. Let me see what happened. Wow, that's really fantastic. Now see, kids, once the cyanide is clear, let me tell you isocyanide. Isocyanide is very simple, kids. Like CH3, CH2, 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 and coordinate bond C. So that carbon and this carbon, there is breaking in the chain. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane isonitrile. Butane isonitrile. Now, how they will be used as prefix? C. If I give compound like this, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH, CN, CH, NC, CH2, COOH. So this is going to be the main functional group, and these two will be treated as prefix. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will write cyano and isocyano. So 4 cyano, 3 isocyano, heptane, hept, 5N, 1 oic acid. Clear to all of you kids? This much is clear? This much is clear? I hope this much is very clear to all of you. Now see kids. Aldehyde. Aldehyde will take some time because it is really very, very important. Aldehyde. Aldehyde is like RCHO, rancho, RCHO. Or you can better write it like this, RCH. At least one H should be there attached with this carbon, this H. So let's see what should be the secondary suffix al. That means alkane. This al is important. Now chemical abstract name kids. Chemical abstract name in place of secondary suffix we can use carboaldehyde. Carboaldehyde. Now its prefix, number of prefixes are there kids. You can use aldo, you can use formyl, and we can use word oxo in special cases. Oxo in special cases. I will let you know what is that special case. So these are the prefixes. So let's see kids. If I write HCHO, it's very clear, methanol or formaldehyde. But if I write down like this, CHO, CH2, CHO, CH2, CHO. Now you know very well, no need to count any of them. So we will say it's very simple. Propane, 1, 2, 3, tricarbaldehyde. It's very clear to all of you, tricarbaldehyde. I hope this is very much clear to all of you. Clear kids? First of all, do let me know, let me see in the chat section. Till now it's crystal clear. Crystal clear kids? Very good, very good. Number of spammers are there. So my true students, they are fighting for Baba. They are number of people, they are trying to misguide. Right? Their work is like this only, to misguide. Okay, so very good. So kids, just see special case. How to write down special case? Where to write down special case? See, if the compound is given like this, C double bond O, H, CH2, 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 COOH. So definitely we have to do the numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to count the longest chain, we are going to count this carbon also. So what part of this aldehyde? This is actually aldehyde. And we have counted this carbon also. This carbon is the part of parent chain. So only this is left. And this is oxo. So we'll write 5 oxo and pentanoic acid. So this is clear, the special name. Because why it is special name? If the compound has been given like this, simply CH3, CH2, CH, C double bond OH, CH2, COOH. In this case, we will not write a special name. Why we will not write a special name? Just see. 1, 2, 3. If we count this, we will get only 4 carbons parent chain. But here we are getting 4 and 5. So we will not count like that. So we will write aldo or formyl. So its name will be what? 3-aldo or formyl and pentanoic acid. Clear, kids? Now let me tell you one more something amazing thing, because that is required. See to it. If I write down one compound like this, COOH, CH2, CH, and this is ethyl, CH2, CH, that is CHO over here. Now CH2 and COOH. Now do let me know from which side should I do the numbering, from right hand side or the left hand side. Do let me know in the chat section from which side I should do the numbering. Do let me know in the chat section. Let's see. Do let me know in the chat section. Which side should I do the numbering? Do let me know, kids, from which side. Kiran is saying right hand side, rest of other students. Now see, the numbering, if you are writing this will be ethyl only. This will be fixed ethyl, but it will have two names. Either aldo, if you are writing it aldo, then this is coming first. See, numbering rule failed. Locant rule failed. Alphabetical order we have to apply. So see, if you are writing aldo, we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you are writing it, see, COOH, CH2, CH, ethyl, CH2, CH, CHO, CH2, COOH. Now, if you're writing it formyl, then formyl will come after ethyl. So, if you are writing it formyl, then you have to do the numbering from this side. Are you getting my point, kids? Then this will be correct. Both are correct. If you use aldo, in case of aldo, A will come earlier than E, then that is correct. If you are using formyl, then this is correct. Both are correct. Got it, kids? Have you got it? Do let me know that this point is clear, kids. Both the two are correct, because this is having two names. So both of them are correct, kids. Do let me know. Everyone do let me know, is it clear or not, kids? It is clear or not? So I hope that this is clear. Now ketones. Ketones are very simple, kids. 10 to 15 minutes more. Just 10 to 15 minutes more. Not more than that. Ketones are very simple, kids. If you write CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. It's very simple. Numbering should be done from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Its name will be butane 2 on. Butane 2 on. Right, kids? Now suppose if they are giving compound like this, CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH double bond O. So aldehyde is senior. Aldehyde is senior. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is junior. Junior means keto or oxo. So you have to use 3, keto or oxo. That's your choice. And penthexenal. Hexenal. So this ketone is clear to each and everyone. Now let me give you one type of compound, whether you are going to give the correct answer or not. Let's see. So if I say that, okay, this is the compound, just see to it. And if I say here is CHO, here is double bond, and if I say here is ethyl, and here is being methyl. Can you do it? So 90% people will do it wrong because their numbering will be wrong, because they will do like this 1 and 2, they will go like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or if anyone is going to give you compound like this, just see once again, everyone see to it. If it is given like this, here also number of people, they will do mistake. If this compound is given, just see. So remember that if you are saying this is number 1 and here is double bond, so you have to count it. Otherwise double bond will not leave you. 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the numbering. Once you know this much, then only you can write down the names. Otherwise your name is going to be wrong. So this is 6. How it is 6? 5, 6. So this is 5. That is 6. So we'll write 6 ethyl, 5 methyl, 'cyclohex, 2 in 1 carbaldehyde. And its name will be cyclohexa 1, 5 diene 1 carbaldehyde, 1 carbaldehyde. So these many points are clear. Just I will need 10 minutes. After that class will get completed, because all the IUPAC name will get completed. Yes, I will teach organic chemistry chapter wise, but once the concept clarity is there, once your concept clarity, then only you can understand chapter wise. Otherwise it's useless. You won't be able to understand. Okay. Now alcohol, kids, alcohol, just see alcohol. So alcohol secondary suffix is all. So alkanol, no chemical abstract, because not having any carbon. Its prefix is hydroxy. Now see kids, let me give you one tough, but before giving tough, let me write down RSH. This is thiol. Thiol is the secondary suffix. Thiol is secondary suffix, and its prefix is kids mercapto. Now, if this much you understand, then if I say this is the compound given, and tell me what will you do, kids? Here is OH, here is double bond, here is SH, here is ethyl, Now you can write down the IUPAC clearly if you know how to do the numbering. Maximum people, what they will do, they will write 1 and they will go like this. But remember that this is junior functional group. So you have to see, first you will see secondary suffix. After seeing secondary suffix, you have to see multiple bond. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what should be the IUPAC name of this compound? So 5-ethyl 6-mercapto 6-mercapto cyclohex 3-ene 3N 1-ol. I hope this much is clear, kids, clear to each and everyone. Just do let me know. Everyone, only amine is left. That will require 5 minutes and then it will get completed, kids. It will get completed, kids. Yes, now see amine. Amines are of 3 types. The last one, amines. Amines, the primary amine, kids, 1 degree amine, like RNH2. For example, if I talk like CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. 2 hydrogens are there, or nitrogen is attached only with 1 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanamine. Simple. If I write down 2 degree amines, kids, then how to find out this is 2 degree amine? Nitrogen must be attached with 2 carbons. Just see CH3, CH2, 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 N, CH3H. Now this carbon is attached with 2 carbons. See, 1 carbon and 2 carbon. 2 carbons, see, and there it was attached only with 1 carbon. 1 carbon, that's why 1 degree amine. It is attached with 2 carbons, so that's why it is 2 degree amine. Now how to do the IUPAC? Just see, this is a longer chain that is having only 1 carbon, so you will write N. N for nitrogen because it is attached with nitrogen. N. This N is for nitrogen, but methyl must be the first capital letter. Methyl, and methyl butanamine. Now kids, if I talk about 3 degree amine, just see 3 degree. How will you understand 3 degree? 3 degree amines, kids. If I write down compound like CH3, CH2, N, CH3, CH3. Now you can see this nitrogen is attached with how many carbons? 2 and 3 carbons. That's why 3 degree amine. So who is the longest chain? Definitely this is the longest chain, 2 carbons. So these 2 are prefixes. So how to write down? N, N do 2 times. So N dimethyl ethanamine. So done and dusted, kids. Each and everything I taught you, each and everything I have explained, kids. It took near about 2.5 hours, but ultimately Baba has told you each and everything, kids. Now, are you happy or not, kids? Do let me know. First of all, do let me know in the chat section. You want anything from my side, or everything is clear, kids? Do let me know. Everyone, do let me know. It is very much clear, or do you want anything else? Thank you, Sahana. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Kiran, thank you. Now, kids, one more thing you must be in need of. One more thing, let me tell you. Only one thing. One side, Spiro and Bicyclo. I think some kids must be, they are not writing, but later on they will realize. Bicyclo. And Spiro. Now see, in Bicyclo, in between two cycles, two carbons are common. In Bicyclo, in between two cycles, two carbons are common. Like if I draw compound like this, then this is Bicyclo. Here, in between two cycles, only one carbon is common. For example, if I write like this, this is Spiro. Can you see, kids? Here two carbons are common. These are known as bridgehead carbons. And here only one carbon is common. So I will write Bicyclo. Now, if I say from here to here, how many bends? One bend. That side one bend, and here one bend, in this one bend, in this 0. So I will write 1, 1, 0 butane. 110 butane. Now I will tell you, I will clear it on the next page, but let me write down Spiro. Now see, 1, 2 bent, 1, 2 bent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, Spiro, 2.2 and pentane. To make it more clear, kids, now nothing you are able to understand here. I don't think you are able to understand. So let me tell you on the next page so that you can understand in a better way. Just see, kids. If I write down compound like this, just see to it. And if I write down compound like this, see, these two cycles are having two carbons common. These two carbons are common. Common carbon, can you see? Common carbon. Common carbon is known as bridgehead carbon. Now, other than these two common carbons, this is having one band, this is having 1, 2, 2 bands, and this is having 0 band. Can you see? Whenever you are writing Bicyclo, always write down in descending order the bands. Bands should be written in descending order. Bicyclo 2.1.0. So 2 carbons, 3, 4 and 5. 5 carbons, right? In decreasing order, you have to write down. Pentane. I hope this is clear now, kids. If this is clear, then tell me what's the IUPAC name of this compound. Just see. If I write down like this, its general name is decalene. Decalene. Decalene is its general name. So see everyone, 2 bridgehead carbons. Other than that, how many bands are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is also having 1, 2, 3 and 4. So Bicyclo 440 decane. Now you will say, sir, again and again 0 is coming. Is it compulsory? No, it's not compulsory. Suppose if I write like this, 1 band. If I write like this, and if I write like this is also Bicyclo. Now see how many bands. This is common carbon. Now see, 1 band, 1, 2 bands, and 1, 2, 3 bands. So I will write Bicyclo descending order 3.2.1 octane. I hope this is clear, kids. Kids, is it clear? And in a spiro, you have to write down in ascending order. I hope this much is clear. Now, if I draw one 3-dimensional, that's it. Then I will leave one 3-dimensional. If I draw it like this, just see to it. Just see, this is the 3D figure, and let me draw its 2D figure so that easily you can understand, kids. This is bridgehead carbon. Now see, 1 band, 2 bands, 1, 2, 3 bands, and 1 band. So I can make like this, 2 bands, like 2 bands, 3 bands, like 1, 2, 3 bands. Now 1 band like this. These two are same. This is 3D diagram, that is 2-dimensional diagram, kids. Now just see to it. I will say their name is Bicyclo descending order 3, 2, 1 octane. This is full and final. Now it's time to complete it, kids. Let me see in the chat. I hope that it's clear. Wow, Mahamani, very good. Hacker Ramlal, OP, are you agreed? Hacker Ramlal, you got it? Wow, thank you, kids. So I hope this is very much clear to each and everyone. Kiran, thank you. Everyone, thank you, really thanks. Thanks to all of you. This is your Baba HSP. Keep loving lectures, liking it. If you're new to this channel, subscribe it. And everyone, in the comment section, once this session is over, write down how much you liked it. Bye to all of you. God bless you. Love you, my dear students. Bye-bye, kids. Bye-bye.